बेहद की परम शांति. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Deshrat by Patel. Bapuji is explaining, do aliens are the reason behind World War 1, 2 and 3? Param Shanti. Today the subject is, do aliens are the reason behind the Third World War? The answer is yes. But why? Know first who are called as aliens. In my olden videos, I mentioned every time that aliens are who came from far away planets. They came from not only the planets of our solar system, they came from the planets of other solar systems, or from the planets of other galaxies, and from the planets of other universes, and from the planets of other great universes. They are called as aliens. But why these aliens want to get done Third World War? What is the motto behind this? What is their selfishness? What do aliens get on happening Third World War? What they want to gain? Whatever the wars happening today in this world, like China versus India or China versus America or China versus other countries, today the atmosphere is like this in this world. Previously, China didn't interfere. Wars were done between Russia and America. Always aliens make these type of world wars, be it Third World War or Second World War or First World War. Whatever the battles happened on earth, aliens are responsible for that. May Mahabharat war or religious wars or war between Yehudi and Christians or war between Christians and Muslims or war between Muslims and Hindus. Do aliens do all these wars? Yes, they will. This is absolute truth. Aliens means who came from far away distance. They wants to develop their culture. Culture means religion. They wants to win over other religion. Always this was happening on earth from antecedentally. Like battles between deities and demons means Devasura Sangram. This is the only intention of wars between deities and demons also. Demons attacks Indralok and makes deities and Indra to run away from there. This always happens in this Bhulok, Bugurlok and Swargalok. The movies like Star Wars, some subtle souls will inspire them to make films like this. In Star Wars also, who is responsible for that wars? On earth we are talking about Third World War. Likewise, in settled world, Star War means the stars which are visible in sky. Stars means nothing but big suns, and each sun is called as solar system. Likewise, wars between galaxies. Who are responsible for these wars and why? I always mention to you that these wars happens in seek of power in settled world. Power means supreme light in supreme abode. Shiv incorporeal Parabrahma Parameshwar who resides in supreme abode will have power. To steal his power, souls comes from other solar systems and attacks. One solar system souls attacks other solar system. One galaxy souls attacks other galaxy. In science fiction movies also they are showing that our neighbor galaxy Andromeda attacks our galaxy because it is bigger than ours. This happens always, may in subtle or gross world. This is the nature of soul. If Shiva is Paramatma, then why he attacks? Mahabrahmand means galaxy's creator is Mahashiv, Mahaparam Atma. How much power he will have in the center point of his galaxy? How much power will be there to create and to cradle the galaxy? To steal that power, why other galaxy souls are penetrating? This is a big question. You can able to understand this with the help of infinite knowledge. The souls who steal this supreme light always wanders in subtle and gross world. In coming days, significant atmosphere of Third World War appears. A little bit of Third World War starts. But after that, infinite souls will project in supreme peace vibration, and slowly with supreme peace vibration, the negative vibrations will ends up. And supreme peace vibration touches each and every one all around. The souls who are thinking negative and wishing to do destruction, who are involved in Third World War, these Param Mahashanti vibrations will touch us to them all. Then, settled world or gross world souls or galaxy souls or universal souls or multiversal souls, everyone wishes for peace. Slowly, infinite soul spreads supreme peace. And this is the duty of infinite souls. It's not like Third World War happens only in one solar system. It may happen in galaxies and universes also. In big universes, these wars won't happen. In small universes, we can find these type of wars. These souls will have intensified desire to gain power by attacking others. At last, everyone will tired, and they think that there is no use on doing wars like this. When supreme peace vibration on touching them, they converts from negative to supreme elements. 5 elements converts to supreme elements. Slowly, supreme peace comes, and mortal world turns to immortal. Infinite children are aware of all these things. There is no need to tell again and again. Everything changes. Complete multiverse will transforms. Param Shanti.